Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be going over how to use the whiteboard function in Zoom. Before I begin, give this video a like, hit that thumbs up button. If you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I do a lot of technology videos just like this one. So some of you may not know, but there is a whiteboard feature in Zoom. So it's actually pretty simple to use, pretty easy to get to. So the only thing you need to do is make sure you have Zoom downloaded on your computer. Once it's downloaded, you just want to jump into it like so. I have it downloaded right now, so just jump into it. Here you're brought up to the Zoom homepage almost. You're going to click on New Meeting. Then from here, this little window will pop up. You're going to join with computer audio. And then from here, just click on Share Screen. And then click on Whiteboard. You should have a whiteboard feature between screen and iPhone, iPad. Depending on what computer you're on, if you're on a Mac, it may say something different for iPhone, iPad, but no matter what device you're on, it should say whiteboard right here. So click on that and just click on share. So here we have our whiteboard, and I'm going to go through a couple of features at the top right here, but basically if you're a teacher and you're sharing your screen, you can write on this whiteboard, you can type just to share everything with your students. So I think this will benefit teachers a lot, more or less, but anyone can use this whiteboard. So let's just begin. So it has a text feature here, and you can just type whatever you want. You can do that first. You can make this text box bigger, smaller. You can move the text box like that. You can draw, so I can click this squiggly line right here, and I can start drawing or writing like this. And over here where it says format, I can change the color to whatever I want. So if it was red right there, I can change it to green. I can change it to blue, like that. We have a stamp function. So I have a couple stamp options. We have arrows. So if you wanted to highlight or stamp out important information, you can do it. We have a spotlight feature. We have the erase feature, which obviously erases everything. We have an undo feature which brings things back. We have a redo feature. We have a clear feature, which is clear all drawings, clear my drawings, clear viewers' drawings. So we can do clear all drawings, and that gets rid of everything right there. Say if you had something important that you've written down or you drew and you wanted to save it, you can do that. So if I type in this test, say if I wanted to save this, I just hit save. You can save it as a PDF if you want, or you could save it as a PNG. I'll hit save, and instead of save as PNG, you can hit show in folder. And right here is our screenshot of our whiteboard, like that. Close out that. So yeah, so this is just a pretty easy video on how to get to the whiteboard in Zoom. If it helped you at all, hit that like button. If you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.